Hello, and welcome to the Crafton Hills College tutorial on how to install Screenshare, activate the camera and microphone during your Cranium Video Meeting using any desktop or laptop. Here are a few steps to complete once you are brought into the video meeting. First, you will need to activate your microphone and camera. To do that, click on the camera icon. This will activate your camera, allowing the staff member to see you on their end. You can also click on the microphone icon to mute yourself. Green means your microphone is on, red means you are muted. If you want to make sure the person you are meeting with can hear you, make sure you are unmuted. If you wish to continue with the audio and not share your camera, click on Audio and Webcam Settings. Go to the Integrated Webcam option, select Do Not Share My Camera, and save. Your image will not be seen, but the person on the other end will still be able to hear you. The second area you want to focus on is knowing how to share your screen. There may be a time during the meeting where you will want to share your screen to show a document to the counselor or staff member you are meeting with. You start by clicking on the Install Screen Sharing on the upper left side. The Connex Ed screen sharing page will then appear. Click on Add to Chrome and select Add Extension. At this time, you do not have to worry about Turn on Sync feature. Click on the X to close the window. Go back to your Cranium Video Meeting by clicking on the tab with the red dot. Click on Share Screen. Select Entire Screen option and click Share. You will then be able to share your screen with the person you are meeting with. For this example, we will share the Crafton Hills College website. The staff member on the other end will now be able to see what you are seeing on your screen. Go back to your video meeting by clicking on the tab with the red dot. And you can stop sharing your screen by clicking on Stop Sharing. If your audio is not working, you can go to the top right corner of your screen and look for the small camera icon. If you are using a Mac, the camera icon will be located next to the URL. Click on the icon and make sure the first option is selected, which reads, Continue allowing Crafton Hills College Cranium Cafe to access your microphone. You want to also click on the drop-down menu to make sure you have selected the correct microphone option. Click Done. If you continue to have audio issues, you can also use the chat box to communicate with the counselor or staff member you are meeting with. You can type your message, click on Send, and the person on the other end should be able to see your chat. There is also a closed caption option which will provide you with text of the audio. You can click on the closed caption switch to have it on or off. Keep in mind that the closed caption text may not always be accurate. This concludes the tutorial on how to install Screenshare, activate the camera and microphone during your Cranium Video Meeting using any desktop or laptop. Thank you.